Hey loves, happy belated Halloween to those of you who celebrate it. Due to extreme weather on Halloween, I was not able to get this video up, but I created a really pretty eye look inspired by a $5 t-shirt I purchased from Walmart with a green, purple, and black color scheme, and I'm really excited to show you loves the look that I came up with. I'm taking my E.L.F. eye crease brush to blend the third green in the green row in and above my crease, and I think this might be my favorite shade of green in the Take Me Back to Brazil palette. I'm using my Aloe E124 to apply the black shadow to the outer half of my lid. I will be applying the ColourPop Super Shock Shadow in the shade Dare, which is a really pretty metallic purple. I've worked with this Super Shock Shadow in the past, and I applied it over a regular primer and found that it got really clumpy when I wet it to try to make it look more intense. So for this look, I will be using a lash glue, and I'm going to apply it as if it's a pressed glitter instead of an eyeshadow. And the glue I'm using is the Kiss Clear Strip Lash Adhesive with Aloe. I'm using a Modessa eyeshadow brush to gently press the Super Shock shadow in the shade Dare onto the lash glue. I went ahead and highlighted underneath my brow bone, did my other eye as well as my base makeup off camera. Now I'm using the Aloe E115 to gently blend the deep purple shade right underneath my lash line. For my winged liner, I use the Smoke and Mirrors Precision Liquid Liner, and I do not like it at all. It flakes off so bad. To blend out the deeper shade of purple that I applied right under my lashes, I'm using the Ruby Kisses C-Curve eyeshadow brush, and I'm gently blending in that lighter purple. I'm trying out the Smoke and Mirrors Mega Volume Mascara on my lower lashes. I really like the slim wand. What I don't like is the extremely liquidy formula. It was very difficult to work with. I ended up taking the wand out and letting it dry out a little, and that seemed to help. Now I'm lining my waterline with the Flower Forever Wear eyeliner in the shade Onyx. This has been my go-to eyeliner pencil for months. I absolutely love it, but I am in search of a new one. So if you have a favorite drugstore eyeliner pencil, can you please let me know down below in the comments? I'm highlighting the inner corner of my eye with the Smoke and Mirrors single eyeshadow in the shade Just Peachy using my E.L.F. small smudge brush. For blush, I'm using my Basic Beauty Rose Gold blush brush to apply the LA Colors matte eyeshadow in the shade Forbidden. Highlighter time! I am using the BB Glowing Out Illuminate Face Palette, and I'm taking the shade Happy Hour on my Maybelline crease brush. I'm now applying the Wet n Wild Mega Last lipstick in the shade Blackout. I decided to put glitter over that black lipstick. And I did it off camera. When I saw the gloss, I was like, ooh, this is perfect, and I forgot to hit record. The gloss I'm wearing is the AOA Studio Diamond Lip Gloss in the shade Peachy. To complete the makeup look, I'm now setting my face with the Smoke and Mirrors Rose Water Setting Spray. This stuff smells amazing, and it really made my highlight pop. This is the completed look. When I saw this shirt at Walmart, I was like, I have to get it because of this vibrant green. It just really stood out. And I love the color scheme with the purple, green, and black. All of the products that I used will be listed down below in the description. I hope you loves enjoyed this video. If you did, tell me down below in the comments. And also, I know this is a day late, but for those of you who celebrated Halloween, I hope you loves had a fantastic night. And for those of you who didn't, I hope you had a fantastic night doing whatever it is that you did as well. And yeah, until next time, bye loves!